Saturday morning, there's a little bit more traffic than I expected.
Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty early.
Yeah. I think the boxing week is still on. Might be. I have an Android TV box.
Yeah, I know that.
It just crapped out this morning.
Oh.
My wife was texting me. She's like, "Oh no!" So we don't have cable, right? We don't bother with the cable.
Right.
That's all she watches is the box. Now it's not working.
Yeah.
I'm like, well, just go on the laptop. Use Prime TV. I got to bring it in. Bring the box in on LaSalle. They can refurbish it or whatever.
Yeah.
Okay, let's make a left lane change. Going to be turning left at the lights up here.
Okay.
They got this paintball place over here. I don't know if you know that.
Huh.
Yeah.
Oh, I had no idea. Is it new?
It's been there for a while, but I've never seen anybody actually using it. But I'm noticing they're putting fences up and everything. I guess the paintballs are flying out onto the road.
I heard those hurt when they hit you.
Yeah. Here, you can keep your left signal on. Walk it down. It's all yours.
Staying close to the median here.
Nice.
Oh, there's only one.
How long is your program for out in California?
It's about 3 months.
That's it? 3 months?
Yeah, they split the year into 4 instead of 2.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
My program was 3 years. 3 years long.
Oh, that's what you mean. Yeah, mine's 4.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, I meant the semester.
Just the semester's 3 months. Yeah.
Then I'm coming back.
Well, it's nice to get a little break in between.